Hi guys, today I want to share some great memories with you from Krka National Park in Croatia. This place is so beautiful. I've never seen anything like this, and if you're in Croatia and near this place, definitely have to visit it. So you definitely have to take a day and visit this place because it's so worth it. Also, I want to share a couple of tips with you. These you can find in the description box. So, before you get to the main place, so the waterfalls, you are having a walk through the park and there are some little waterfalls and some beautiful views along the way. There was also a watermill, but we didn't get a chance to get a proper look inside because it was really crowded, but if it's not crowded, then definitely have a look. You can also do some fish spotting in the park, and if you are lucky you might also see some other animals. We got a chance to see a snake, only from the distance luckily, because otherwise it would have been too scary. Here we are getting the first glimpse of the waterfalls, and then you only need to take a little more steps to get to the waterfalls. I don't really remember how long it took us because of all of taking the photos and the videos, but it's not that long. And here you are at the main spot, so the amazing waterfalls, and a place where you can swim or, well, just be in the water. Here you have to be really careful because you can hurt yourself. There are a lot of stones in the water and you cannot really swim there. I don't know if you can see from the video, I'm actually holding the stones so the stream doesn't take me away. But still you can kind of be in the water and enjoy the view and enjoy the place. I hope you enjoyed this little look around the Krka National Park, and as I said before, definitely visit this place if you are near in Croatia. If you like this video, please don't forget to leave that like and subscribe for some more travel vlogs from Croatia. Thank you for watching my video. Bye bye until next time.